to check where your result is appearing on SCRP. Now you guys have written blogs, you have performed on page, then you have given keywords, and you have completed everything, and then you have also submitted your website to Google. Now after submitting your website to Google, how can I check when Google has visited my website? Pavitra, how do I check?
Site
Google.
semicolon.
Not site colon. I want
Mama,
as
Google
to-
Console.
Google Console.
no. Listen to my question.
Okay.
How will I know if Google has visited my website or not? On which time or on which date Google has visited? How will I know that?
Catchy colon.
Exactly. Catch colon you need to type, and then whatever is your website URL, you have to take that website URL. Then just besides catch colon, it's not a semicolon, just colon. Take it and then paste. And you can see that Google has visited Pavitra's website on 16th September and at some 4 o'clock in the evening. So this is how you need to check. Now, if I want to know if my site is indexed or not, how can I check it?
Site colon website URL.
Yeah, site colon and then your website URL, whatever website you have, just take it and then your website URL. Then you can see that what all the results of your websites are indexed. Now you can see that your home page is indexed, about us page is indexed. See, actually, why all these things are indexed over here, you might get a doubt, Lakshmi. All these pages are indexed because this was already used by Jikisha, and then she submitted the website to Google. She didn't perform on page for each and every page, okay? She didn't perform on page for each and everything. But what is the clause over there? Even if you submit your website to Google or you don't submit your website to Google, still Google is going to come to your website and collect the data of your website. She didn't submit each and every page like this. She didn't submit all these things. Hardly she has submitted one blog to Google regarding, I don't know which blog is that, but hardly one blog she has submitted.
Okay.
Are these your products, Lakshmi?
No, ma'am.
These are not
Even
your.
I got that doubt, ma'am.
Okay. These are not your products. That is what I'm telling. It was already, see, even if you submit or even if you don't submit, still Google will collect the data of your website. That has happened like that. Okay. Then, okay, catch colon is done, site colon is done. If Google has visited our website or not, we have checked. And if Google has indexed the data of our website or not, we have checked. Now you can see over here that top tourist places in Uttar Karnataka for unmarried couple. This was the blog which you have written, and that blog has already been indexed. What is the meaning of index? Somewhere you are ranking on SCRP. That is the meaning of index. Somewhere you might be ranking on SCRP. Now, how to check whether I'm ranking on SCRP or not? To check whether you are ranking on SCRP or not, first thing, what is your keyword over here? Top tourist places in Uttar Karnataka for unmarried couple. Now, I want to check whether Lakshmi's website is ranking for this keyword or not. If I want to check whether her website is ranking or not, how will I check it, guys? Generally, how you guys will check it? You will scroll like this, right? Generally, you guys will scroll. Then you will check like this, 1, 2, 3, like this. You will be scrolling. And then you will go to second page. If you're not appearing on first page, then second page. Then again, you will scroll. Then again, third page. Then again, fourth page. Then again, fifth page. Let's assume you guys are not ranking on top 10 places, okay? And you're ranking on some 70th position or 80th position, that is in some 9th page or 8th page. Don't you think it is little bit of, like, it's like wasting your time just moving from one page to another and then scrolling? You're just searching. You're just wasting your time, right? Am I right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of wasting your time, what you can do is change your Google settings from, change your Google settings from 10 to 100. By default, can you please mute yourself? By default, our settings are 10. Generally, you will be able to see 10 results per page. But what you can do is change the settings from 10 to 100. So that all the results you will be able to see in one page itself. You need not go to second page, third page, fourth page, and so on. So just go to the settings over here, then click on see all settings. then your results per page by default it will be 10, change it to 100, because all the 100 results will be appearing in one page and you need not go to the second page, third page and so on. Then click on save results. Now you can see that 10 results are appearing. I mean, all the 100 results will be appearing in one page itself. No more pages in our Google. No, guys, it has not been changed properly. Sometimes this is a problem with the settings. No matter, even if you change it, still it will not change. Try for 2-3 times if it is not happening. Yeah, now it has been changed. See, that is what I was telling you. Even if you change your settings from 10 to 100, that setting, I mean, the changes might not appear from the first time itself. Just do it 2 to 3 times. Then you can see that changes are appearing. See, no matter how much I'm scrolling, I'm unable to go to the second page, third pages are not appearing. You just look at the scroll bar so that you can understand. All the 100 results are appearing in one page itself. So there are no more pages. So the first problem is solved. Now, after this, what is the second one? Now I want to check where is Lakshmi ranking for this keyword. So again, I'm taking that keyword and again, I'm pasting it on a new tab. Then I want to search on SERP. Like this, I will be searching. One keyword I will be searching. Now let's assume for that keyword, Lakshmi is ranking at some 78th position. Okay, that means at the bottom of the SERP, she is ranking. What I have to do, guys, if I'm going with this process, yes, I have changed my results from 10 to 100. What I have to do after this, I need to scroll down, right? Unless and until I find Lakshmi's website, I need to scroll down. Still, it is again a hectic process itself, because still I need to scroll down and I need to waste my time so that I'll understand where exactly I'm ranking on SERP. Instead of wasting your time, what you can do is, there is a tool called SEO Quake.
Quake.
Exactly. There is a tool called SEO Quake. Install this tool on your Chrome. That means install this tool on your search engine, so that this tool will give you the positions. This will tell you at which position you are ranking. Now, if I want to check where exactly is Lakshmi ranking for this keyword, I have to count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, like this. I have to count until 78th positions, because let's assume she's ranking at 78th place. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to count one by one. I need to count until 78. If I miss even one number, then I will not understand where exactly Lakshmi is ranking on SERP. So instead of you counting the numbers, there's a tool called SEO Quake, which will do that work and give it to you. So search SEO Quake and then install SEO Quake. It is a free tool. Install SEO Quake. Once you click on install SEO Quake, there is something called add to Chrome appears to you, because you want to add it to your Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. Now this tool called SEO Quake I have installed on my Chrome. Now the moment I'm searching, top tourist places in Uttar Karnataka for unmarried couple. Okay, this is what I'm searching. Now see what is happening. Everywhere some numbers are appearing. The moment you install and activate SEO Quake, this is going to happen. Otherwise, it is not going to happen. You might have observed many times there was something like this from the beginning of all the classes on my screen. That tool is only SEO Quake. Everywhere you will be able to see the numbers. Now let's assume again Lakshmi's website is ranking at some 78th position. What I need to do? I don't know, right? At the beginning, I will not know where exactly she is ranking. I need to scroll down 10, 11, 12. Okay, from this time, I need not count because SEO Quake is doing the work for me. But still, I need to scroll down, isn't it? Still, I'm wasting my time over here. In case I'm ranking at the bottom places, still I need to scroll one by one, I need to scroll. So instead of again wasting your time, what you can do is just click Control F on your keypad. Click Control F. Then whatever is your website name, you have to search that website name like this. Just search your website name. And the moment you are searching your website name, that website will be highlighted. And you can clearly see on which position you are ranking for that keyword. Now we can clearly see that for this keyword, Lakshmi is ranking at 3rd position. This is how you need to check where exactly you're ranking on SERP. First, change your settings from 10 to 100. Then install and activate SEO Quake so that you'll be able to see the numbers. Then after installing SEO Quake, just type Control F on your keypad, then you'll be able to see, your website name will be highlighted, then you'll clearly understand. Even if you're ranking at some 78th position, directly it will take you to 78th position itself. Now, directly first result is not appearing to me, right? Directly it is showing me the 3rd result itself, because that is the place where Lakshmi's website is ranking. So even if you're ranking at some 68th position, 73rd position, directly it will take you there and it will tell that you're ranking at so-and-so position. That is the use of SEO Quake and Control F. Always remember these points. This is how you need to check where exactly you're ranking on SERP. Is it clear, guys? And Lakshmi, it's really good now. You're ranking at 3rd place for the keyword on SERP. Out of all the websites, out of around 100 websites, out of all the people whoever have targeted that keyword, you are ranking at 3rd position. It's really good. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Because of you only, ma'am.
At 3rd position. It's really nice that the first time itself you have ranked at 3rd place.
Okay.
Now we will check for other keywords also. Then we'll move to Pavitra's and Lokesh website. Okay. This point, just remember this point. This is not how you give the keyword, Lakshmi. Okay, done.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we
I
will
will
check.
change it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can change now. After
You can
the
change it, but again you have to submit it to Google.
class? Okay. Oh my.
You
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
do it now. From the next time onwards, keep that point in mind. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see places to visit in Uttar Karnataka. If this was about Hyderabad, or if this was about any famous city like Mumbai and all, you would not be able to rank because everybody will be targeting the same keyword. But I think you are ranking for this keyword also.
Okay.
Let us see. Again, the same process. Tell me, how should I do it? Yes, tell me, how should I do it? I want to check where you're ranking on SERP. Grace, can you please tell me how can I check it? I have changed my settings from 10 to 100. Then SEO Quake is already installed. You need not install again and again.
Control F, ma'am.
Control F on the keypad.
Exactly. Control F. Then whatever is
Website name.
Perfect. So for this keyword, Lakshmi is ranking at some 26th position. Again, very good.
Yeah.
It's not easy to rank. It's not at all easy to rank for these kind of tourist places blogs. Very, very difficult. Tourist places is such a difficult topic to rank on SERP. Like it, according to me, it comes in top 10 difficult topics. It is very, very difficult to rank for tourist places. Then again, you can also check, places to visit in Uttar Karnataka, right? Okay. Then best tourist places in Uttar Karnataka. Did we check for this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Let's check. Okay, for this also again at 27th position you are ranking. It's good. Then you have to check for one keyword, guys. Now everywhere you have given the keywords, right? For every keyword you have to check. And I have already told you how to check. If you're giving top and best, first check with top, then check with best, then check with top and best. You have to check each and everything. Like that, I can easily tell that maybe Lakshmi is ranking for around 30 to 35 keywords. She might be ranking for this blog. That's what I assume. You might have not given 30 or 40 keywords, but still you're ranking for those many keywords. Because on Friday's class, I have told you how to add the keywords, isn't it? Like unmarried couples example I have given you, right? And top and best example I have given you. So like this, one keyword should satisfy n number of keywords, guys. Again, for this, she's ranking at 14th position. Now I'm removing top and I'm checking for only best, like in case you're ranking for only best. Because one guy might be searching top, other guy might be searching best. We don't know, right? How other people are going to search. One person will be searching in one manner. Even if someone is searching best, still your website is ranking at 18th position. Even if someone is searching top, still your website is ranking on some other position. Even if someone is searching top and best, still your website is ranking. That is how you need to target the keywords. One keyword should satisfy n number of keywords. Remember this point whenever you are adding the keywords. SEO is all about content. How good you add the content, your website will be ranking on SERP. Again, this keyword also, Lakshmi, please change it. This is not how you give the keywords. This is again a kind of paragraph. Don't give paragraphs. Don't use commas. But just because you have given, I'm just checking it. But don't give, that is not right. Still, you're ranking at 9th position for this. For so many keywords you're ranking. Just check it, Lakshmi, now. For every keyword,
Okay,
please check it. You understood the process, right? So please check it
yes,
for
ma'am.
every keyword. Just count for how many keywords you are ranking. And you know, right, how to check the keywords. If you are giving affordable prices to visit in Uttar Karnataka, okay, I'll tell you how to check it. Let's assume this is your keyword. I'm removing all this. First, let us check if you're ranking for this keyword or not. You're ranking at 14th position, Lakshmi, for this keyword. Affordable prices or places? You have given.
Sorry.
It should be
Place.
places. It's okay. Affordable places to visit, tourist place in Uttar Karnataka. For this keyword, you're ranking at 14th place. I'm removing this tourist place. People will be searching like this also, right? Affordable places to visit in Uttar Karnataka. Still, people might be searching like this also. There is no such guarantee that everyone will be mentioning everything very briefly and they will be searching. People will be searching in shortcuts. So let us check if you're ranking for this keyword also, because this is again the part of the keyword which you have targeted itself, right? So from one keyword, what I'm doing, I'm creating n number of keywords and I'm searching if at all you're ranking for that particular keyword. That is how you need to check. Even checking is also one of the very big tasks. How to check also you should know. Generally, what was your keyword? Your keyword was affordable places to visit. What?
Affordable.
Okay, no, how, like there is no meaning to that sentence if you read it. Affordable prices to visit tourist place in Uttar Karnataka. Okay. Let's assume you have targeted affordable places to visit. Again, tourist place. I think you have done some mistake over here while adding the keyword. Yeah. Okay, let's assume your keyword is affordable prices to visit tourist place in Uttar Karnataka. That was your keyword initially. And for that keyword, you are ranking at 16th position. But what did I do? I have removed the center part. I have removed tourist place, because people might be searching like this also. Directly also they will search. Why will someone search affordable prices to visit tourist places in Karnataka and all? They need not type tourist places. No, they can just type places also, affordable places to visit in Uttar Karnataka. So from your keyword only, I have created some other keyword and I'm searching. And even if I search for that keyword, still you are ranking at SCRP. For the previous keyword, you are ranking at 16th position. And for this, you are ranking at 19th position. So don't think two keywords are same keywords. No, both the keywords are different keywords. From one keyword, I'm creating one more keyword. And there is no relation between the first keyword and the second keyword. Both are two different keywords. One person might be searching like that, and the other person might be searching like this. So keep this thing in mind. You need to know how to differentiate the keywords, how to break the keywords, how to search the keywords. This is very, very important, at least at the initial stages. Then later on, there will be tools where you can directly see for which keyword you're ranking on SCRP. But your websites are a new website. In any tool, you will not be able to see the data of your website, like Uber Suggest and all. Generally, if you're performing SEO from the past few years or past few months, directly Uber Suggest only will tell you that you're ranking for these many keywords and you're ranking at so and so position. But now your website is a new website. So obviously no tool will give you the data. You have to only search from scratch simultaneously, like how I'm doing. So like this, please search for every keyword at Lakshmi and just check for how many all keywords you are ranking. Now let us go to Pavitra's website. Catch colon, site colon, you guys already know. Indexing the data, collecting the data and all. Now let us directly go into the blog and check where exactly Pavitra's website is ranking. Now this is a tough blog. This is tough blog. It's not easy. Here, what is the difference between Pavitra's blog and Lakshmi's blog? Pavitra, she has selected a normal, like, one place she has selected and only regarding that place. Now, this blog becomes a broader version. You're writing about complete Telangana. So it is very difficult to rank, very, very difficult. But even if you're ranking for 1 or 2 keywords, that is really good, Pavitra. What happened? You told you will write about some temple, no? You didn't write? Yes, Pavitra. You had no hopes with this blog.
Ma'am?
You had no hopes with this blog, no? You didn't write any other blog. You told you will be writing about some temple.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was busy last 2 days.
Oh.
I'll try it from today.
Okay, Pavitra, no problem. See, for this keyword or whatever the title you have given, I'm searching for that title, but you're not ranking for this. And whenever you're not ranking, your website will not be highlighted because it is not present on SCRP. So for this, you're not ranking. So let us go to the images later. Let me come back to the title bottom and check. This is my SCRP title, right? For this, you are ranking. That is what I have checked. Now let us check for this keyword if you're ranking or not. You are already ranking. I have already. So again, Control F, and I need to check where exactly Pavitra is. It is such a difficult blog, such a difficult topic, but still you are ranking at 2nd position. That is really good, Pavitra. It's really good. Your topic is, I mean, out of all the 3 topics, this is the topic which you have selected is a difficult one. And still for that topic, if you are able to rank at top 2 position out of all the people in the sense, not out of 5 people or 10 people, out of all the people who have written blog regarding that topic, you are ranking at 2nd position. That's not a small thing. It's a very big thing.
Which means it appears on top page, ma'am. 2nd position.
Yeah, top page. Someone is searching, and once they search, it is appearing. No? Just after holidayfy.com, your website is appearing. You have performed better SEO than this travel triangle, than Hyderabad tourism, then Philophilia, then even Telangana.org government's website, TripAdvisor, Tribu. Out of all these people, your website is a better performing one for this particular keyword.
Ma'am, is it because of only on-page SEO or content? What is there in the blog as well? Both the factors.
Both, because there is something called ranking factor, no? There is something called ranking factor. And in ranking factors, what are the points? Lengthy content, original content, keywords, everything. Because of both, no matter how good you perform on page SEO, if your ranking factors are not good, still you might not rank on SCRP. So everything should be correct. You need to perform on page, and you need to also be good at ranking factors also. Sometimes what happens, now still you're appearing at very good position, that is 2nd position, but this guy is appearing at 1st position, right? So maybe somewhere his ranking factor is better than your ranking factor. Maybe his website is a secure website and yours is a not secured website. So maybe because of that reason also, you have got to 2nd position instead of 1st position. So both, Pavitra, both ranking factors are very important. You need to focus on all the ranking factors, and you need to perform better SEO also. And whatever the score you are getting, the focus keyword score and the complete SEO score, that will not guarantee you anything. That does not mean you should not aim for a good rank over there. You should always aim for good score over there. But still, even if you get 100 by 100, that does not guarantee you that you will be ranking on SCRP. Is it clear, Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am.
So for this, you are ranking at 2nd position. It's good, no? Are you not happy?
Happy, ma'am. Thank you so much. You helped us, actually.
It was very difficult, bro. Now, can we make any keyword from this? Can we create any keyword? Guys, can we search in any manner from this description?
Attractive.
Where is the focus key phrase in meta description? Visiting places in Telangana. Okay, here you have added.
Okay.
Okay. I'm searching in this way. Best visiting places in Telangana for foreigners. Because Pavitra has added foreigners. I have to create the keywords, guys. You have to search like this. You have to create the keywords and then you have to search. Remember this. Don't blindly search whatever you have given. Don't search only with that keyword. Form n number of keywords and search. So best visiting places in Telangana. No, not ranking.
Search for foreigners itself, no?
That's what I'm checking. No. See again, best sightseeing places in Telangana nearby Hyderabad. Again, it's again a very basic keyword. Did you check the SEO difficulty, Pavitra, on Uber Suggest? Because according to me, what all keywords you have taken, all are high difficulty keywords. Very high difficulty keywords. Did you check? Did you use Uber Suggest? Anyone used Uber Suggest?
Yeah. Actually, I used keyword planner, ma'am.
Keyword planner you have used.
Yeah.
You have created Google Ads account.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
We have done that
See,
because
yeah.
we. Yeah.
No, the thing is, in keyword planner, you can see low difficulty, high difficulty, this kind of things, but numbers will not appear. No, you should have used Uber Suggest.
Yes, ma'am.
Because Uber Suggest is a complete SEO tool. Are you understanding, Pavitra? Uber Suggest is an
Yes.
SEO tool and it was created by an SEO expert. So instead of keyword planner, okay, the same thing, but again, if you have used Uber Suggest, that would be really nice. So again, check for all the keywords, Pavitra, where exactly you're ranking for on SCRP. All right.
Okay.
So
Ma'am, just check with attractive places in Telangana, attractive tourist places with that keyword.
Pavitra has not targeted that, na, Grace?
No, yes, ma'am. I don't think I gave that.
That is what.
Okay.
If you have inserted this word anywhere, then you might be ranking. But if you have not used this word
That
anywhere in
only
the blog,
attractive word was
Attractive
inserted,
might be
ma'am.
in the content, ma'am, not in major.
Yes.
let's see then. Sometimes
Mm.
that also happens. But again, it's again a very high difficulty keyword. By looking at it only, you can understand attractive
Yes.
tourist places in Telangana. Are you
No.
there, Lokesh?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there now.
I don't know when you will be there and when you will not be there. Have you performed on-page, Lokesh?
Yes, ma'am, I completed.
This one, top 10 biryani.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to the previous vlog? Regarding the tourist vlog?
You said that three of us are working on tourist blocks, ma'am. That's why I changed it.
Okay. So again, you have written one more vlog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Everybody were terrified by tourist vlogs. When did you guys check, Pavitra and Lakshmi? When did you guys check if your website is indexed or not?
Morning, ma'am. Today morning.
Just before the class.
It was already indexed by yesterday itself. I checked it yesterday. Sometimes what happens is your website might not get indexed easily. It will take few days of time. That is the reason I asked you to complete it by Friday or Saturday itself. Biryani is famous in Vizag also, Lokesh.
Yes, ma'am.
How much? This much only you have written content?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am?
I added 10 types.
Then it's not appearing. Only not even 1 or 2. Only 1 is appearing to me. Just check it, Lokesh. Did you click on update button?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it's not appearing? Just check it. Are you doing it, Lokesh? Content is not appearing. What content you have? Whatever the content you have added. Sorry, why is that, right?
Ma'am.
Oh, for the first title itself, you are ranking at 16th position. It's nice, Lokesh. Please check it, Lokesh. What happened to your content?
Okay, ma'am.
Top 10 types of biryanis in Vizag. Let us search like this also. Do one thing, Lokesh, whatever the blog you have written regarding the tourist one, for that only perform on page, na, instead of wasting the time. Let us check where you are ranking. It's okay, no problem. Oh, wow, it's you are ranking at 8th position. It's nice. Again, for this, you are ranking at 8th position. For that, you are ranking at 16th. Na? Now, if you have added all the 10, then you would have ranked for so many keywords, isn't it, Lokesh? Because for the 2 keywords, whatever I have said, for both the keywords, you are already ranking. If you have added all the content, then so many keywords would be there, then you would have ranked for all the keywords also.
And actually, after adding all the 10, I click on update button.
Sorry?
After adding after adding the 10 biryanis, after that I click on update button, not in middle. But why it's not appearing?
But the content is not there. And this keyword, what both keywords are same, top and best. Okay, you have given different keyword. Let me check for this where you're ranking. For this, you're not ranking. Why the 2? Okay, first one, right? Basic keywords, Lokesh, for this, you can take this kind of keywords, but it is very difficult to rank for the keywords which you have taken, like top 10 biryanis in Vizag. Okay, you might be ranking, but you can't expect any high position over here because there are already so many people who will be targeting the same keyword. That is why I asked you to take low difficulty keyword, but still you are ranking for this keyword also again at 14th position. That is really good. Top and best biryanis in can I create any keyword from this, guys? From the meta description.
Best biryanis in Vizag.
Best biryanis in Vizag. Yeah, correct. And also when you have 60 characters, try to take it to 60. I mean, not exactly 60, but you have so many characters to add over here. If you have added many more characters, then from this keyword, I would have created 2 or 3 more keywords. Are you understanding my point, Lokesh? Now it is very basic, not top 10 biryanis in Hyderabad, in Vizag. That is the only thing I can search. Otherwise, what can I search? I can search top biryanis in Vizag. That's it. More than that, I will not be able to create the keyword from the keyword which you have targeted. But instead, if you have added something extra over here, then I would be able to create n number of other keywords. Did you understand my point, Lokesh? If there are 60 characters, try to add those many characters. Don't leave it like that. Don't add basic keywords. Because there are only very few places for you to add the keywords. It's better you add properly so that one keyword is going to satisfy n number of other keywords. No. Why did you delete the previous blog? The tourist one?
And completely, I checked my website.
You have reset your website.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, you have reset it. I didn't check this. Which blog is this? It's nice. Sorry, which theme is this, Lokesh?
Ma'am, the coffee shop theme, ma'am.
Okay. It's nice. It's nice. If your content would appear, you would, I'm sure you would be ranking for many more keywords. But still, whatever the content is there, according to that also, you are already ranking for 3 or 4 keywords. It's really nice that you're ranking at these positions on SERP. So, did you guys understand how to check whether you're ranking on SERP or not? What is the first step, Pavitra? Should I keep my settings 100 itself, or should I change from, sorry, 10 itself, or should I change it to 10 to 100?
10 to 100 months.
First, change it to 10 to 100. Then, after changing from 10 to 100, what you need to do is,
You have to install SEO Quake.
yeah, SEO Quake is the tool which you need to install. Then, Control F on your keypad. Then, type your website name. Then you can see where exactly you're ranking on SERP. This is what you need to do. Then, after this, what did we learn, Grace?
Ma'am,
After this, what did we learn?
that's it, ma'am.
Web
You have said
position,
this.
web position,
The
and
position analysis and keyword density.
yeah. Is it clear, guys, until here? How to perform on-page SEO, how to check where exactly are you ranking on SERP and all. Lokesh, any doubts in this part in on-page? Lokesh, any doubts? Pavitra,
No,
Lakshmi,
ma'am.
any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Remember one point. Inserting a keyword in title is known as title optimization. Inserting a keyword in an image is known as image optimization. Inserting a keyword in a description is known as description optimization. And overall, whatever we have done till now is known as on-page optimization. So this is how you need to perform on-page, submit it to Google, then check where exactly you are appearing on SERP. Now let us learn web position analysis. Web position analysis is nothing but, what is web position analysis, Grace?
Where your website is ranking. For a particular keyword, where our website is ranking is known as web position
Exactly.
analysis.
For a particular keyword, where exactly your website is ranking is known as web position analysis. That means you are analyzing over here. And we have already done web position analysis by changing our settings from 10 to 100 and by installing SEO Quake. Can you please mute yourself? By installing SEO Quake. Then after that, we have changed, after that we have clicked on Control F and then we are checking where exactly we are ranking on SERP. Whatever the process we have done, what all the steps we have done till now, that thing is only known as web position analysis. For a particular keyword, checking where exactly your website is ranking is known as web position analysis. And how to do web position analysis? Till now, what all we have done, 10 to 100, SEO Quake, Control F, and your website. This part, whatever we have done till now, is known as web position analysis. Now let us learn about keyword density. What exactly is keyword density? Keyword density is nothing but number of times you have repeated your focus key phrase, repeated your focus key phrase. What is focus key phrase, Lakshmi? Focus key phrase. What is focus key phrase?
Main
And
keyword,
which
main topic.
Exactly.
which keyword we have to target it?
Whatever you're writing about is known as focus key phrase. So there is a formula for keyword density, guys. Number of times you have repeated your focus key phrase by total number of words into 100. Now I'll give you one small example over here. Let us assume you guys are writing about MS Dhoni. Now, what is your focus key phrase? If you're writing about MS Dhoni, then MS Dhoni will be focus key phrase, right? So let us assume you have written a blog regarding him, and 50 times you have used the word called MS Dhoni, MS Dhoni, MS Dhoni, and so on. 50 times you are just using the same word. Okay. And your blog consists of only 100 words. Your blog is only 100 words. And in those 100 words, you're only talking about, like, you're only 50 words are only MS Dhoni is this, MS Dhoni is that, and so on, so on, so on. Everywhere 50 times you have used MS Dhoni out of 100 words. So 50 by 100 into 100, what is the score?
50.
50 is your score. Your keyword density should always be less than 6%. Less than 6%. If it is more than 6%, then it is considered as keyword stuffing. My blog is only of 100 words and 50 times I'm just adding my focus key phrase. That does not make sense. If I'm writing about tourist places in Hyderabad, everywhere I'm just using tourist places in Hyderabad, tourist places in Hyderabad. Where is the content? You have to write proper content, na? Lengthy content, original content, authentic content, and all. Where is that content? You have to add the content. If it is more than 6%, if your keyword density is more than 6%, then it will be considered as keyword stuffing. And you guys already know what exactly is keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is a black hat technique. And if you perform black hat technique, there is a software called Panda, which is going to hit your site and it will reduce your rankings on SCRP. So remember this point. Whenever you are writing a blog, it's better you write lengthy content. Generally, Google asks you to write more than 4,000 characters, not only for blog, for pages and everything I'm including. I'm just using it as blog, but it is for pages and products also, guys. Whenever you are adding content, Google asks you to add 4,000 characters, but it is not possible for a normal person to add 4,000 characters. So at least try to add 800 to 1,000 characters. So that even if you're using your focus key phrase many times, still it will not be considered as keyword stuffing. If here it is 1,000, then there would not be any problem, na? Because I have added only 100 words, that is the reason it is considered as keyword stuffing. So always remember, add lengthy content. Google loves lengthy content. It only prefers lengthy content. Is it clear, guys? Keyword density.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavitra, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand, Lokesh? Keyword density, any doubts in this part? Keyword density and web position analysis? Are you there, Lokesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us, with this, we have completed all the topics of on-page, guys. We have started with search engine, how exactly a search engine works. What are the 4 steps? Scrolling, indexing, retrieving results, and calculating relevancy. What is indexing?
Categorizing the data.
Categorizing.
Getting relevancy, and then retrieving results is nothing but displaying the results on SCRP. These are the 4 steps. Then after this, we have learned about keyword research techniques like Uber Suggest, brainstorming, and then Google Suggest, right? Then after this, we have learned about SEO techniques, white hat techniques, black hat techniques, gray hat techniques. White hat techniques are the techniques which you need to perform, and on page, off page, and technical SEO are part of white hat techniques, in which we have completed on page. Then black hat techniques, never ever perform black hat technique. Gray hat techniques, neither good, neither bad. You can just try your luck over there. Then we have learned Google advancements or updates like Panda, Penguin, Pigeon, Hummingbird, Mobile Gaddon, and all. Then we have performed on page by using all the 8 parameters. What exactly Google searches from your website? Sorry, what exactly Google collects from your website? What exactly it reads from your website is very important. Remember 8 things. If you remember those 8 things, complete on page is based on these 8 things itself. What are those 8 things? Title, description, headings, first line of the para, image alt, bolds and italics,
File name, links.
links. That's it. These are the 8 things. Then how should I perform on page SEO? By installing a plugin called all-in-one SEO.
SEO plug.
Yeah, all-in-one SEO is the plugin name. You have to install this. Then only after your every page or every blog, you will be able to see all-in-one SEO settings. Then give the focus key phrase, then give title, description, add the keywords, then perform on page. After performing on page, see, you have 2 options. You want to submit your website to Google, you don't want to submit your website to Google. If you submit your website to Google, Google will collect the data of your website within 1 or 2 days. If you don't submit a website to Google, still Google will be collecting the data, but it might be taking 1 or 2 days, 1 month or 2 months of time, we do not know. So it's better you submit the website to Google. And I have told you that spider example also. Remember that. How to submit my website to Google? By going into the Google Search Console or Webmaster Tool. Both are same. Submit your website, and verification should be done again and again. Now for the next blog also, should I verify my website, or for the first time it is enough, guys?
First time is enough.
You need not prove to Google n number of times that so and so website is your website. Prove it only once, that is more than enough. Then afterwards, submit for crawling, that is request for crawling, request for indexing. After that, don't do anything, just have a little bit of patience. Then after a few hours, you can check catch colon, site colon. And today I have also told you how to check where exactly your website is ranking on SERP. See, because your websites are new websites, you have to check one by one whether I'm ranking for this keyword or not, whether for this keyword or not. One keyword you have to check. But in case your website is an old website and you are performing this on page from past few years or few months, let's assume, there are tools where these tools only will tell you for which keywords you are ranking at which position. You need not do all the things which we have done. These tools only will tell you directly. Just type your website URL, whatever is your website URL, you have to type that website URL over here. Then Ubersuggest will tell you for which keywords you're ranking on SERP. Directly they will tell you. See, enter a domain or a keyword. We have learned only keyword part now. You can also enter a domain over here. In case you own any domain, you can also search. Generally you can also search for your competitors also, for which keywords your competitors are ranking on SERP. Then you guys also can target the same keywords in case you want to rank for those keywords itself. Now let's say Water Beauty Supply is our competitor. So I'm searching for which all keywords Water Beauty Supply is ranking on SERP. Then in case I am also in the same niche, I'm also selling some skincare, haircare products, I will also target the same keywords. Like that, keyword research also will be easy for us.
Ma'am, only Ubersuggest will tell you, and keyword planner also it will tell, ma'am.
Keyword planner will tell you. Keyword planner
Mhm.
will tell you, but that is, you can still use for SEO also, but Ubersuggest is only for SEO. I mean, you can still use this for Google Ads. Both things are same. This is also keyword research technique. That is also keyword research technique only, Lakshmi. There is no such difference. Here they will tell in numbers. There they will tell in. There also they will tell in numbers. But for difficulties and all, low difficulty, medium difficulty, high difficulty, this is what they are going to tell you. Whereas in Ubersuggest, numbers will be there 7, 10, 15 like that. There it will not be like that. And that is much, there they talk mainly about Google Ads itself. Considering Google Ads, they give the results over there. Here, considering only organic results, they will be giving the results over. But both the things are same. It is also keyword research technique. That is also the same thing. You can use whichever you are comfortable with. You can just use it. Now you can just check it over here, guys. I have searched website URL. Let's assume this is our competitor's website. This will be useful for you in case you are working for your clients and all. This is really useful. Focus on this point, location. Let's assume this is our client. And I want to check for how many keywords my client is ranking on SCRP and for which keywords is ranking on SCRP. So you can check this website is ranking for about 30,507 keywords. Obviously, they are performing SEO from the past 4 to 5 years. That is the reason they are ranking for those many keywords on SCRP. And you can also check organic monthly traffic. That means in a month, at least 26,470 users are visiting their website in a month. Then domain authority, we will learn tomorrow. Then backlinks also again part of page itself. How many backlinks they got also, you can see that they got some 6,084 backlinks. Then you can see in May how many people visited their website. In May, around 19,000 people visited their website. Again, Uber suggests 3 searches only, you can do it for free. After that, you have to purchase it. In case you want to use Uber suggests premium, you can use it. But as of now, I'm showing the data in the free tool itself. Then again, in June, around 26,000 people visited the website. And in July, 25,000 people visited the website. So you can see how many people are visiting the website in every month. Then you can also see in May 2022, they were ranking for about 259 keywords on top 3 positions. And for around 1,907 keywords, they were ranking at 4th to 10th positions. And again, around 10,000, 11 to 50, around 3,529, 51 to 100. So instead of you searching from scratch, if your website is stable enough, you can directly search on Uber Suggest itself for which all keywords you are ranking, how many people are visiting, for which, how many keywords you are ranking at which places and all. Then you can also see for which all keywords you are ranking on SCRP. See for this keyword, 1 second, guys. Yeah, just take it over here. Body lotion for skin whitening, they are ranking at 10th position. Skin cream white, they are ranking at 24th position. Best skin whitening body lotion, they are ranking at 24th position. Which bleach is good for dark skin? For this, they are ranking at 6th position. And you can also see the SEO difficulty. These are all high difficulty keywords, but still they're ranking at very good positions. That is again because of constant hard work, consistent hard work, they have reached over here. So like this, you can also check where exactly you're ranking on SCRP and for which keywords you're ranking on SCRP also. This thing also you can do, but for that, your website should be a little bit old enough and you need to perform SEO consistently, then you will be able to see it. For the newer websites, you will not be able to see the data. That's why I have checked like that. Is it clear, guys? The Uber Suggest part. Is it useful? Whatever I have told till now, this thing regarding order beauty supply and all, it's useful now. Even for your competitors also, you can check. Like directly you will understand which keywords to target, which keywords not to target, and also this is really useful there also. And off page, do not worry about off page. Anybody can perform off page SEO. It is very easy to perform off page SEO. Yes, there are 17 techniques which you need to perform, but all these 17 techniques are very, to be honest, they are very silly techniques. If you know one technique, you will be able to do at least 12 to 13 techniques. Maybe one or two, one technique is little bit different from all the techniques. But other than that, everything is similar. Whatever you're doing in the first technique, the same thing you'll be repeating again and again, again and again. It is kind of a monotonous work. And most of the times, whoever like a digital marketing fresher, in case he's landing into any job, they will be giving you the off-page work itself, because that is one of the easiest work to do and all. But performing off-page is not difficult. It's very easy. Anybody can perform off-page. On-page, if you are ranking for the keywords by performing on-page, then that is really great, guys. Google loves on-page SEO. Out of on-page, off-page, and technical SEO, Google gives around 70% preference to on-page itself. Now, just because off-page and technical SEO are also techniques of SEO, don't only depend on off-page SEO, because it is easy. Most of the people try to depend only on off-page SEO. No, Google does not give much preference to off-page SEO. Always give preference to on-page SEO. It always gives preference to on-page SEO itself. So you need to know how to write content, how to add the keywords, how to frame the keywords, how to check for those keywords. Again, that is also again one kind of art itself. How to check for the keywords which you are ranking, how to form the sentences, and how to check it. So on page is very, very important when compared to both the other techniques which we are going to learn from tomorrow. Technical is very easy. That is hardly in one class we can understand what exactly is technical. But off page, the 17 techniques might take a little bit of time, but still again, if you know one technique, you already know all the other techniques. That is how it is. So tomorrow we'll start off pages.
Ma'am, you left one topic,
yes,
ma'am.
yes, I
That
know.
e-commerce.
Yeah, I remember. Technical SEO class will be hardly of 30 minutes or 20 minutes, Lakshmi. Then we will do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Once our SEO is ending, the technical SEO, it is who joined? Asanji. When I'm trying to end the session, you have joined.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Asanji. When did you join? It's 12 o'clock over here. What happened? You didn't wake up?
I'm just